What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Hungry Handgunner channel. So a little while ago I started branching out and doing a little bit of knife stuff. So I've always been into knives. It's one of those things that I didn't really feel all that qualified to talk about, but I figured, hey, you know, it's a review, 90% of its opinion anyway. So this is going to be the second knife that I've done a video on. This is actually the Boker Automat Kalashnikov 74. I guess it's a tribute, but this is the Desert Warrior color scheme, so it's a Blade HQ exclusive. So it's a nice OD green handle and a copper blade. Really cool knife. We're going to get to the unboxing in just a second. I have been using it for a couple weeks. Pretty cool knife. Alright, let's dive down close and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright folks, so here it is. Comes in this neat AK-47 shaped, or AK-47 magazine shaped box. We've got a little barcode over here. Boker Plus Kalashnikov 74 dagger olive green exclusive. So it is a Blade HQ exclusive. Got some seals, which obviously I've been using this knife, so those are broken. You know, chromium, nickel, and or lead warnings for the state of California, which everything I think kills you in California. So you open it up and there she is. Now keep in mind, guys, I have been using this knife for a couple weeks now. So this is the Desert Warrior color scheme. So it's like an olive drab handle with a bronze copper colored blade, and then you've got a black deep carry pocket clip. It is an auto, so it's very strong spring on it. Definitely opens with some authority. It says Automat Kalashnikov 74 Boker Plus. Come over here to the other side. It says AUS 8, which that is the blade steel that's used, and I'm not sure what that number is there, but there you go. So you can see some smudges and stuff on the blade. I have been using it, and I do use my knives fairly hard, but blade size is not bad. It's just a good medium everyday carry style pocket knife. They do have another blade style in the same color configuration, and it's more of a, they call it a Bowie knife style, but I didn't really like the fact that that tip was so fine on that. I figured I might end up breaking it. This one is just very nice, good utilitarian blade shape. The top is not sharpened, so it's just got a nice little taper to it, mainly for aesthetics. The handle is aluminum, and it feels really good in your hand. Nice jimping there. And then the finger grooves. If you like finger grooves on your knives, you'll probably like these. I'm pretty open-minded, but I haven't had any issues with them. So that's about it for the close-up. We'll go back up top. Alright, so this isn't a super in-depth review. Obviously, I don't have that much time with the knife. I'll do a more in-depth review as time goes on, and I spend some more time with it. But I can tell you, having had some higher-end automatic knives, this doesn't feel like the $40 price tag that goes along with it. This feels like a much higher-end knife. The spring that opens the knife is just very stout. I've had zero issues with it wanting to open and then bounce back. It's always opened very sturdily. The lock has been very sturdy as well. It's a visually pleasing knife. I know the looks are very subjective, so some people are going to like it, some people aren't. I happen to actually really like it, especially that copper blade color. You know, AUS 8 steel is kind of middle of the road. For $40, it's not a bad steel at all, but it's definitely not going to keep up with things like your S30V or other stuff. But again, it's a $40 knife, so with that in mind, this has been very, very impressive. And like I said, it feels like a knife 4 or 5 times the price tag. So I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll probably try to do another video maybe 2 months in or 6 months in. I don't know. It just depends on how much I actually use the knife. Once I get a feel that, hey, you know, I've definitely gotten a lot of mileage out of it, then I will definitely post an update video. I will tell you, out of the box, it does not come all that sharp by my standards, so I've actually held off sharpening it these last 2 weeks just to kind of figure out, you know, what we're looking at as far as edge retention. And for what I use a knife for, it's done very well. Certainly, like I said, it doesn't keep up with my knives with like S30V. They hold an edge a lot longer, as you would expect. So I'm actually going to take this to the stone when I get done filming this and put a proper edge on it. So I hope this guys helps you out. Like I said, $40. Check it out. I'm going to put the link to this particular knife, which as far as I understand you can only get it through Blade HQ, but the link will be in the description. So as always guys, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Take care.